My name is Arjun Mudliya and I'm the team member of VAcoders.
We are developing a game that will help the players attain their goal of fitness in a fun manner. We have named it Fun Regime. Fun Regime is your virtual path to fitness. It would be a cross platform multiplayer game supporting Android and iOS devices. As of today, we have apps that tell users of their food intake and its nutritional value. And we have running games like Subway Surfer, Temple Run, which are clearly meant for entertainment purpose. But there is no game that includes both. This is something our game brings to the table. Fun Regime focuses on giving the user a fair idea about the nutritional value of the food that they have in their daily lives. We, with the help of Fun Regime, encourage the users to select healthy food like fruits, vegetables, or unhealthy food like pizza, burger, and other fast food. It also tries to make the user avoid alcohol and cigarette.
The game begins with the player entering his details like name, age, gender, height, and weight. First, the BMI will be calculated, and then, in accordance with these details, an avatar is created for the player. Then, the player has to enter the food that he/she has had during the day. The game will itself show a big list of food from which the player has to select their meal of the day. From this information, the game will show the player the calorie intake from that food and will set that as the target calorie count for the player to burn.
In order to burn those calories, the player has three options. Option 1, run and burn. In this, player's avatar will be put on a 3-track path and will be running there by burning calories to achieve the target calorie count. The underlying UI will be basically like Subway Surfer or Temple Run. The player can collect coins and other collectibles. Collectibles include fruits, vegetables that will have a positive effect on the player's health, and then there are alcohol, cigarette, fast food, which will show a negative effect on the player's health. The calorie burnt while running will be shown on the screen as the player runs. Option 2, dancing. In this, user will get a fair idea of the dancing steps with which the user can lose fat in a particular part of the body. Option 3, gymming. Again, in this, exercise and yoga moves will be shown to the user, by performing which in real life, user can attain mental stability and healthy living. Our game will also support multiplayer mode, in which player can challenge their friends for running via FB or Google+. Also, the user can challenge their friend for a fun health quiz competition involving healthy living questions.
For development, we will be using Unity Game Engine, Adobe Photoshop for graphical and drawable assets, and Adobe Audition for sound effects. This is our game development schedule. In the first week, we will be working on the core mechanics of the game. We will draw out the graphical components and simultaneously work on sound. And as weeks go by, we will try to stick to the given schedule.